Hey guys, what's up? It's AB Trades, and in this video we're going to go over how pre-market can act as support and resistance intraday. So if you can see here, SPY today remained relatively range bound. And how can we tell that? Well, usually our trading range for today is first determined based off the pre-market levels. So if you can see here, pre-market low was at around 297.07, 06, 05, somewhere in that area. And the pre-market high was at 298 exactly, basically roundish, maybe a 102, whatever. But that gives us a range for the day, right? And the first 30 minutes to the hour of the day, if we're looking for a trending day, we want it to get above and hold either the high or the low. If we don't do that, then we're looking at more of a range-bound day, right? So you can see here we couldn't hold this level, we fell back through, thus giving us the indication of a range-bound day. We kind of did this double bottom here at this previous support, which is the pre-market support, and then we came back up to retest this high, which is usually should be an easy trade up to the upside. Currently understandable that it's in a range-bound market, and we have this critical support. Also looking at the previous day, I want to show you another example. Looking here. This is the pre-market low, pre-market high, right? So we're looking for it to break with break either the high or the low, right? So it broke here first thing pre-market, but didn't hold, it sold through. Found some support here, but then fell right through. As it fell through, it just came back up to retest. Then we fell through stronger, and then we started to sell off. So this is an example of it defining that range and then falling through that support zone to actually build its way down. So that's another amazing example, and this is also an example of a tighter range. You can see here where our support is. Our support here on pre-market lows are right here, if I can get it exactly. And my resistance up here is at around 297.80, which is going to be the pre-market high. So this is our trading range for the day. You can see that we got up here on the 5-minute at least. We got a little wiki showing that we were having a little bit of an indecision here at this level. Then we got that rejection. We found that support here. We broke back through it, and then we had that upside break. So again, it's not the 100% most reliable direction of, hey, enter above this high, enter below this low, but it is a good way to sense an overall direction of the market, saying, hey, we're actually above this pre-market high. That shows strength. That shows, hey, we actually have some more bullish action, right? Unlike the day before today, which would have been Friday of last week, we actually had some more bearish action because we were holding below that line, and then today we were holding in the middle of the line, just showing some range consolidation. All right, guys, I hope this video was super useful. If it was, please subscribe and turn on those alerts, comment, and let me know what you liked about this video, what you didn't like, and what else you want to see. And turn on that like so for sure I know that you do, and dislike if you don't like it. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. See y'all tomorrow when we cover our top stocks to watch out for.